A lot of people ask the question, how do you use AirPhysio? AirPhysio, you breathe in, hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, then you blow out for 3 to 5 seconds. Now, the usage of it is actually about breathing consistently. So it's a consistent blow of not trying to blow too hard. So you breathe in, and you do that 10 times. Now, there's some key things, depends upon the level of lung capacity, severity of conditions that are very, very important. If you try and blow too hard, there is a chance that you may feel tightness in the chest. Now, this is like an exercise tightness where you go to the gym and you actually try and work too hard and you come away the next day feeling that your muscles are sore. It's the same thing, we have muscles within our chest and you can feel a tightness in the chest. If that's the case, you basically allow 24 hours and let it go.